Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the K-1 visa. And a question that oftentimes comes up after someone has used their K-1 visa and they've gone into the United States and they're in the United States using their 90 days duration in the country, sometimes relationships don't work out, or it might not be logistically convenient or a good idea at the time that the folks are using a K-1, at the time that a person oftentimes contacts me. They oftentimes ask me, what if we don't get married? And it's just the circumstances didn't work out. We're still together. We love each other, but it's just not going to work getting married right now, or whatever the circumstances are. Long story short, as long as the person does not overstay, the fiance does not overstay that 90 days, it's really no harm, no foul. Now, you have to have a genuine intention, a bona fide intention to get married when filing for a fiance visa. But if that intention changes, and it changes due to unforeseen events or for, just because, the circumstances were not ripe for the marriage to occur, so long as the person using the K-1 does not overstay their 90 days, in a sense, it's no harm, no foul. Now, there are some ramifications, possibly with respect to the International Marriage Broker Regulation Act, which precludes substantial multiple filings for K-1 fiancé visas. But depending on the circumstances, especially if it's the same person, it may be very possible to get a waiver of those restrictions. And long story short, and this is really critical, decisions with respect to immigration immigration concerns should not drive personal decisions. If two people want to get married, great. If they're just getting married to get a visa, that can be a real problem. It can even arise to the level of even being fraud under certain circumstances. So the thing to take away from this video, yes, if you use your K-1 and you ultimately don't decide to get married due to bona fide reasons, again, so long as you don't overstay, it's effectively, for lack of a better term, no harm, no foul.